You stretch a tape measure across a room, it bends, slips off the wall, and now your quick measurement is somehow a two-person job. Laser measuring devices fix that frustration fast. Whether you're planning flooring, shelves, paint, furniture, or job site layouts, today we're ranking the 7 best laser measuring tools worth buying. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Miles ES50. This one is for people who measure in awkward places where a red laser dot just disappears. The Miles ES50 uses a brighter green beam, which makes targeting easier across longer distances, dim rooms, warehouses, and even trickier outdoor conditions. The range goes up to 400 feet and it measures quickly, up to several times per second, so you are not standing there waiting for the tool to catch up. It also includes 18 measuring modes, covering distance, area, volume, and indirect calculations when you cannot reach the exact point. This is the one I'd recommend for contractors, interior designers, and serious do-it-yourself users who want advanced features in one device. The point-to-point mode is especially useful because it lets you measure between 2 points from one location. The app support, cloud backup, rechargeable batteries, side alignment laser, and rugged water-resistant body add real workflow value. The drawback is complexity. If you only need simple room measurements, this may be more tool than necessary. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Klein Tools. The Klein Tools laser measure is the pocket-friendly option for people who want fast measurements without carrying a complicated gadget. It measures up to 100 feet, which is enough for many rooms, hallways, shop spaces, and everyday job site checks. What makes it appealing is how direct it is. You point, press, and get a reading. It automatically saves the last 2 measurements on the display, which is helpful when comparing wall lengths, doorway widths, or quick layout numbers without writing every little thing down immediately. This makes the most sense for electricians, maintenance workers, inspectors, and homeowners who want a compact tool from a trusted brand. It fits easily in a vest pocket or shirt pocket, so it is the kind of device you actually bring with you instead of leaving in a toolbox. Accuracy is strong for normal short-range work, especially within the first 30 feet. The limitation is feature depth. It is not built for advanced layouts, app syncing, or complex indirect measurements. For simple measuring, though, it is refreshingly practical. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Miles D5. This is a smart pick when you want distance measurement and angle awareness in the same small tool. Instead of pulling out a tape measure and then checking a level separately, this gives you laser distance plus an electronic level with a real-time angle display. That matters for renovations, shelving, stair measurements, room planning, and construction tasks where the wall or surface may not be perfectly level. The tool can calculate horizontal distance and vertical height from angled measurements, which saves time when direct measuring is difficult. This is the one I'd recommend for homeowners, remodelers, and real estate users who need more than basic point-to-point distance. It measures quickly, stores 30 records, switches between common units, and handles area, volume, continuous measuring, and Pythagorean calculations. The pocket-sized body is easy to carry, and automatic shutoff helps save power during long project days. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Huopar 100 grams. Here is where measuring starts to feel seriously efficient. The Huopar 100G can measure in 2 directions at once, which is incredibly useful when you are checking room width, ceiling spacing, hallway dimensions, or layout distances without constantly repositioning the device. The bidirectional range goes very far, while the unidirectional range is still more than enough for most building and renovation jobs. The green beam is easier to see than a standard red laser, and the backlit display rotates automatically, so readings stay clear from different angles. This makes the most sense for contractors, installers, and people measuring large interiors where speed really matters. You get 9 measuring modes, including distance, area, volume, wall area, angle, and indirect measuring options. It also stores 100 groups of data, which is great when walking through multiple rooms. The rechargeable battery and electronic angle sensor add convenience. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Bosch GLM400C. This is the outdoor and long-range workhorse. The Bosch GLM400C has a digital viewfinder with zoom, which solves one of the biggest laser measuring problems: finding the laser dot far away in bright conditions. It measures up to 400 feet with strong accuracy, and the color display helps guide you through functions instead of dumping confusing icons on the screen. That matters when you are measuring exterior walls, large rooms, ceilings, or long job site distances where mistakes get expensive fast. This is the one I'd recommend for professionals, builders, appraisers, and anyone who regularly measures beyond normal indoor room distances. The built-in inclinometer helps with angles and indirect measurements, while the Bosch Measure On app lets you organize floor plans, photos, notes, and measurements. The reinforced screen glass adds durability, which is reassuring for job site use. The criticism is size and price. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Huipar S 100 grams. This option hits a strong balance between smart features, visibility, durability, and price. The green laser is brighter than standard red beams, making indoor targeting easier in dim spaces, workshops, warehouses, and renovation sites. It measures up to 330 feet with excellent accuracy, and the Bluetooth app connection is a big workflow upgrade. You can sync measurements, organize project groups, add notes to photos, sketch layouts, and share information without manually typing numbers later. This is the one I'd recommend for remodelers, interior designers, real estate agents, and serious homeowners who want measurement data to stay organized. The app remote control is more useful than it sounds because it reduces movement when triggering measurements. That helps with long hallways, tight corners, and positions where pressing the button can shift the tool. It also supports multiple modes, stores 30 data groups, includes tripod support, and has dust and water resistance. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Bosch GLM 100. This pick deserves a spot in this video because it gives most people exactly what they need: accuracy, simplicity, portability, and a design that does not make measuring feel like operating a small computer. It measures up to 100 feet with accuracy within 1/16 inch, which covers most home improvement tasks. Rooms, furniture spacing, shelves, trim, cabinets, closets, and quick estimates all become easier. Just point, press, and read the number. This is the one I'd recommend for most homeowners, do-it-yourself users, decorators, and professionals who want a reliable everyday laser measure they will actually carry. The 2-button layout keeps it approachable, with 1 button for measuring and 1 for rounding. That rounding feature is surprisingly handy when working with real materials because not every project needs a hyper-precise decimal staring back at you. The backlit display is readable in dark areas, and the rubber overmolded body gives it a durable, pocket-friendly feel. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best laser measuring devices you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.